Hey guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download and sign up for a Clover dating application on your mobile device. Clover is a social dating network where people meet to connect each other to chat, send, and receive messages. But this is possible after one has completed the process of Clover login and more so Clover dating sign up. The download is available for Android and iOS mobile phone devices. There are a large user base on Clover and users can interact with each other by liking each other, sending text and multimedia chat messages, sending gifts, requesting dates using on-demand dating feature. So basically it is a dating platform with unique features allowing multiple communication options along with unlimited unrestricted chat, ability to request and confirm dates. So if you also want to create a Clover dating account on your mobile device, then watch this video till the end. So first go to the Google Play Store on your mobile device, then tap on it to open. Go to the search bar and search for Clover Dating App. Once you find the relevant results, go to install and tap on it. Now wait for the downloads to complete. And once it is downloaded, tap on it to open. Now in order to get started, tap on to get started. And here simply create an account by either entering an email address and creating a password. Or you can directly log in with your existing Facebook or Snapchat account. The Clover will request access to your Facebook account, so if you want to approve it, go and tap and continue. Now the users are directed to the settings of the profile, where they will fill out basic fields of name, age, gender, and orientation. You can even upload your profile picture by clicking on it. So once you are done filling up your information, go and tap and continue. Now customize it according to your needs. Now this page brings up an upgrade to premium membership offer, which currently allows users to try Clover Premium free for 7 days. Now go and tap and continue. Now as a payment method, you only have to add a debit or credit card information in here. Now in order to choose the payment method, just tap on add credit or debit card. Once you do that, your sign-up process will be completed through Facebook, Snapchat, or your email address. This application auto-populates certain profile fields such as the detail about you section and one's last 15 Facebook profile picture, but unlike many other dating apps, does not pull in interest badges. So this is it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.